In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the issue of low volume on your Google Pixel device. By following these steps, you will be able to adjust your settings and improve the sound quality effectively. Start by pressing the volume buttons located on the side of your Pixel device to increase the sound levels. This immediate action will give you a sense of the current volume. Next, navigate to the Settings app on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Sound and Vibration. Here you will see options for adjusting media, call, and alarm volumes. Ensure each of these settings is properly adjusted to your preference. Additionally, check that silent mode is turned off, as this can significantly affect the overall sound output. Completing this step helps identify basic volume issues. The next step involves inspecting your phone's speakers for any dust or blockage that may be affecting sound quality. If you notice any debris, clean the speakers gently using a soft cloth or a small brush. After ensuring the speakers are clean, test the sound output in different apps to determine if the volume issue is app specific. If you find that the problem persists across various applications, restart your device to refresh the system performance. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting the sound. Also, check that all your apps are updated, as this can improve overall sound quality. After addressing the basic settings and cleaning the speakers, it is time to look into the advanced settings. Within the sound and vibration menu, check for features such as adaptive sound or any equalizer settings that may be present. If these options are available, turn them on or adjust them to enhance the audio output. You can also reset sound settings to their default if necessary. After making these adjustments, test the audio again to ensure the issue has been resolved. Following this step should lead to a noticeable improvement in volume. If the volume remains low despite these adjustments, consider further troubleshooting options such as checking for software updates or performing a factory reset as a last resort. However, ensure that you back up your data before performing a factory reset, as this will erase all information on the device. Monitoring your device's performance and sound quality can help you catch any issues early on. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.